Welcome back. In this video, we are going to look at how to get the index of the minimum value in a tensor by using tf.math.argmin. For this, we'll create another tensor. X is equal to tf.constant and with the same values as we had before for argmax. This is going to be 1, 2, 3. And we'll find the minimum index for the minimum values and put it in xmin. And to do that, we are going to need to use tf.math.argmin x. And so let's print this in the output. Xmin, this is going to be xmin.numpy to convert the tensor into a numpy array so that we can read it. So here is the output. In this particular case, the smallest value is located at index location 0, which is the value of 1. And the index for 1 is 0. That's what we see here in the output. If we have a two-dimensional array, for example, this is 1, 2, 3. Let's add maybe 4, 5, and 6 here. In this case, let's add another set of square brackets. Now, if we try to find the argmin, if we simply type argmin and run this, in the output we get the values for the minimum values. Let's change some of these. Let's put a minus sign there. Now what we have is the minimum value for the first column. Let's put this like so. The first column we have the minimum value of 1, which is located in the row at index 0. That's why we have a 0 here. In the second column, the minimum value is 5, and therefore it is located in the row at index number 1. So we have 1. In the last column, the smallest value again is minus 6, which is located in the row at index location 1, and therefore we have a 1 here in the output. Now if we were to add axis, we could say axis is equal to 0, and we would get the same set of values. If we change this axis, we say axis is 1. In that case, what we would get is a row-wise comparison. So in the first row, the smallest value is 1, which is located at column index 0. So we created 0 here. And in the second row, the smallest value is minus 6, which is located at column index 0, 1, and 2. So this is location 2, and therefore we get a value of 2 here in the output. Again, as we have seen before, what happens if there is a tie? So for example, instead of 1, if we put a 4 here, and let's set this back to axis 0. Now when we run this, just as we did before, if there is a tie, let's say in column 1 there are two values for 4, and those are also the minimum values because they are the same. The index that is returned by argmin is the lowest possible value. In this case, that is index location, which is 0. That's the first occurrence of 4 in that column. That was it for this video. In this video, I hope you got intuition about how to use argmin. We'll continue this journey in tf.math and look at some more methods that we can use. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.